Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And we got the Prime Big Deal days going on. Prime Day deals, Cyber Monday, Black Friday. Definitely take advantage now. Pick up a couple gifts for yourself also. Stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, housewarming gifts, bar mitzvahs, you name it. They got it all for you. And you could get one of these at a low cost. Bottom. Of course, I cut the name. I'm not going to butcher this name. Wow, it's like trapped. There we go. Ooh. Ooh la la. Now this is G803C. 5-in-1 wireless charger. You got your phone, you got your earbuds, smartwatch, and I am not sure who this come from, but it'll be corrected in the title. Your tablet, you can charge your AirPods or earbuds. We got a couple of each of those that we'll test out. Ultimate 5-in-1 charging solution for your digital life. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Made in China. Same thing. Okay, now we open. Here we go. Alright, what do we got here? I found the name. Okay, it is Berxzwe. I have no idea if I probably butchered it. Got the manual. It's always a good thing to have. See, we got this. Pop. Oh, baby. Look at this. That must be the power cord, USBs and stuff. Warning. Please use a quick charger and okay. Tablet, buds, phone. Power. Got some side USBs. The watchy goes there. Got non-slip guards right there. Really nice design. This must be the cables and the goodies. I'm just gonna have to grab my watch and other things to test this out. Should be fun. Should be nice and easy. Not too long of a video today. USB. Power. I get 2 USBs. This kind. That kind. Power. Straight in the back. Right there. Let me plug her in. And I gotta remove that clear tape warning label. There we go. Hold on. Trying to plug this thing in. There we go. There we go. We got it. Hopefully it's a long enough stretch. Does it light up? Yeah, it lights up down here blue. Saw a little flash. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Super fast charge. Bada boom. Alright, let me grab the others. Alright guys, here we go. Like I said, I got an extra spot for earbuds. I don't have any where I can't find them, so we got the watch right there. Got the tablet plugged in, charging up. Got the phone all good to go. And it's moving fast. So definitely check these guys out. If you're looking for stocking stuffers, small gift ideas, you know, this would be a nice one to give somebody so they can have it at their home, their office, college dorm. It's always a good way to keep organized with your devices. You can always just, boom, have that running, that charging, tablet charging, you're good to go. You probably could use your Chromebook, MacBook, laptop, iPads to charge it. So, I mean, you know, check them out. The link is going to be down below. Get the deals now before they go up in price in 2026. You never know the way the world's going. So, might as well take advantage. Oh, jeez. That scared me. Might as well take advantage now of the sales they got offered to you. And you'll be good to go. So, check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And see you guys soon. So there you go. Like I said, one spot there for your headphones, earbuds, and then another spot for another phone. So if you have like dual phones like I do, that'd be perfect. Bada boom, bada bing. Check them out, and see you soon.